Hi everyone, in this video we are going to look at the sum product formula in Excel. The sum product formula in Excel is a very powerful formula that is used to multiply values across different columns and then add them up at one go, saving you multiple steps. For example, if we have a scenario like this, where we have a set of products, where we have the price per unit, profit per unit, and units sold, and we have to find out the total revenue as well as the total profit for all this, the normal way would be to go ahead and first find out the individual revenue for each item, which can be found by taking the price per unit and the unit sold and then dragging it all the way down. Then similarly for the total profit, you would go take the profit per unit times the unit sold and then go ahead and calculate the total profit for each of them. After that, you would go ahead and sum it up, and which now gives, this is your total revenue. Similarly, if I extend the formula here, it will give you the total profit. Now, if I told you all this could be done by using a single formula in a single cell, that is how the sum product formula works. So simply for the total revenue, we need to identify the two columns that we are using. So for example, here we are using price per unit and the unit sold. So we will say equal to sum product. As you can see, sum product. And what it asks for is, as parameters are arrays. Arrays are nothing but ranges. So the first array is my price per unit. After that, my second array is going to be my unit sold. So after the first array is there, comma, then unit sold, close parenthesis, enter, and it automatically multiplies them and adds them up to give you the total revenue, as you can see here. Similarly, we can do it for the total profit. Again, sum product, go here. Now for the sum product, we need the profit per unit as the first range and the unit sold as a second range. And once we close the parentheses and hit enter, it calculates the total profit, and it was done in one shot. Now, a couple of things that we need to keep in mind. One is that the columns that we need not be adjacent to each other. For example, in the first one, we did multiply this column with this column. So that's one, it need not be adjacent to each other. It can be anywhere. The other thing that is you need to keep in mind that the arrays need to be of equal lengths. So if I have 6 items here, I should also have 6 items there in the second one. And it can do not only 2, it can do multiple columns as well. So that is all there is to sum product. Hope this video was useful to you. And if you do like it, give it a thumbs up. Thank you and have a wonderful day.